In this video by ABN Painting, we are working on a pool deck, and we start our preparation work by pressure washing the deck. Then we disperse TSP and scrub the deck. After we finished with scrubbing the deck, we are using pressure washer again to rinse off the chemicals. There are a few areas on this pool deck where the texture is chipped off, and we are going to repair those chipped off areas prior to painting. And there are also a few cracks that we need to fix. We apply repair material with the putty knife. The repair material is called Excel Surfaces Texture, and then we give it approximately 10 to 15 minutes to dry, depending on the weather, and then use a wet sponge to blend in repaired areas with the rest of the deck. The material that was used to fill expansion joint is cracking, and we are going to fill those cracks. We are using a concrete filler. It is flexible and it will work well for expansion joints. After we finished with repairs, we are painting the edges of the deck using a brush. After we're done with the brush work, we are painting remaining area with the roller. After the first coat of paint had enough time to dry, we apply the second coat. And this is before and after.